It's Jessica Renee, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't filmed a video in forever. But anyways, it's Thanksgiving morning. Happy Thanksgiving. And I decided, before I even tell you what this video is going to be about, I know y'all like, girl, is that your hair? Yes. It is my hair. I got a haircut for my birthday. I'll probably insert some pictures. But yeah, I cut it and I just wanted something new. I just wanted something new, something fresh, something to make me look older, you know, because my hair's been like same length my whole life. So I wanted to switch it up on y'all for my 21st. That was like 2 weeks ago. So yes, I cut my hair like 2 weeks ago. So it's the new do, you guys. But yeah, today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what this makeup look is. I was about to say something else, but I had to switch it up on y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my makeup for today. So if you want to see how I did my makeup today and how I got this look, just keep on watching. So first, I'm gonna be taking the LA Girl concealer and using that as an eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna blend that in and then set it with my Airspun loose face powder. So now I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, the 35V palette, and I'm just going to be taking that light brown shade and using that as my transition shade in my crease. I just wanted a warm, Thanksgiving-y, simple look. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm putting that in my crease now. So now I'm going to be taking that brown mauve color and I'm going to be putting that on my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out. Don't be afraid to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. You want everything to be seamless and nice. you see me pouring my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. I think it's the color 355. And I'm going to correct myself, but usually I damp a beauty blender and put my Airspun loose face powder on my oily spots before I put on my foundation, because it just helps, you know, mattify my face and to keep it from getting too oily throughout the day. Then I like to set my whole face after I put my foundation on, and I set it with this CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder, and I think it's in color 125. Yeah, 125. Now I'm just going to conceal my face with the LA Girl concealer in the color Toffee. Now I'm contouring with LA Girl concealer in the color Espresso. setting my face with my airspun powder everywhere that I concealed. Now I'm gonna take that dark brown mauve color that I put on my eyelid, and I'm gonna sweep that along my bottom lid. Alright, so I applied my lashes off camera, but now I'm going to be taking that gold shade and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. And now I'm going to be taking that Mary Kay mascara and I'm going to put it on my bottom lashes and on my top. Now comes my favorite part. You gotta have the highlight, and my fave highlight is by Wet n Wild. It's called Crown of My Canopy, and it's this like rose gold color. It's so pretty. It's my favorite ever. Okay, on to the lips. So that is a matte lipstick, liquid lipstick from ColourPop. It's called LAX. So I'm just taking a brush and using that as like a lip liner. And then on top, I'm gonna put my Fenty lip gloss on top of that. I also forgot to show me going over my contour with the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Contour Highlight Palette. I went over that. It's a powder contour. And then I set my face with e.l.f. setting spray. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. By the way, I changed my lip color. To, I mixed Fenty on, and then I put this Metal to the Max Metallic Lip Gloss by LA Colors. Y'all, I like this so much better than what my lips was looking like before. Because I wasn't really feeling it, but I changed it. Okay, so, yeah. So, I hope you guys have a, I was going to say a Merry Christmas. A happy Thanksgiving. You guys have a great holiday, and I'll see you next time. Bye.